Hey everyone, so I'll show you guys the fastest way to 3D track using After Effects. So let's get straight to it. I'm just going to drag my clips into here, and then I'm going to grab my movie file and create a composition by dragging it to this icon right here, and it'll create a composition for you. And simply what you want to do is you want to select that and go to your tracker option on your right and click track camera, and it'll start tracking by itself. Once the tracking's done, you're going to start getting all these markers that will show you the ground plane. So it's going to have three markers that are connected together, and it's going to show you where you can put it. So I'm just going to, you can play around with all the stuff, all the markers, but I'm just going to choose one in random and let's say go for this one right here. What you want to do is once you selected it, right click and create null and camera. And it's going to create a null object and a camera. Then you're going to go back to your project files and drag down the 3D image that you want to input. So drag it down at the very top, and then you're going to get this spiral looking thing right here, click and drag it to your null object, so it's parented to it right now. Then you're going to tick on this box right here and it'll convert it to a 3D object. Then what you want to do is open this a bit more down and start playing around with the scale. So I'm just going to scale it up and orient it in a way that you want. So I'm just going to rotate it that way and maybe that way, and then just going to move it up right here. Now it's just a basic example, but if you play it, it'll be tracked to your scene. And that's it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It was a very quick one. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.